Hi, today we're at Binck City Park in Den Haag. We're going to take a look at the construction site over there.
Block 1 is one of the 4 buildings of Binck City Park and will house 313 studios and apartments for rent. This building will be connected to the other 3 Binck City Park buildings by a green rooftop. Highlights of the homes are the floor-to-ceiling windows and a private outdoor space. There will be a sports ground on top of the parking garage and some commercials on the ground floor. Part of Binckhorst area, this will become an innovative and socially mixed place. From here you can reach the city center in 10 minutes by bike.